Hello, I'm Rania Labu from Greece, and I just wanted to take a moment to share with you my experience celebrating Dr. Aptikas Zayanti birth anniversary with a group of amazing students of the ESC Institute. We gather to remember the legacy of Dr. Aptikar, the voice of equality, justice, and human dignity. And let me tell you, the energy, the understanding, and the spirit of these young minds, it was truly inspiring. We didn't just talk about history. We talked about what equality really means today. Students shared their thoughts, their stories. Some spoke about fairness in school, others about gender equality, and a few even linked it to their dreams and rights. There were some very powerful words from Chile who genuinely believe in a better, kinder, and more equal world. And at that moment, I realized that Dr. Aptika's dream is still alive, not just in textbooks, but in the minds of this generation. It reminded me that equality isn't just an idea, it's a practice. And these students are already leading the way. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to ES Institute and especially to Dr. Matthew Borso for setting up this very meaningful and enriching event. Thank you very much. Bye.